You're the last Joker. That other cell's for you.
I need to stop Scarecrow. When I'm done, I'm locking myself away.
What if you fail? You'll be too dangerous. I won't be able to stop you.
Oh, no, you are not going to do this!
You need to get in the cell. It's the only choice we have left.
That's a defeatist argument, Bats, and you know it!
I'm sorry, Bruce, but it's the only way.
I know, Tim.
I'll stop Scarecrow.
Master Bruce, I'm reading multiple militia forces converging at your location. It's the Arkham Knight. He's found you.
I'll take care of it, Alfred.
Are you sure? There are rather a lot of them.
I said I'll handle it.
You'll be fine.
Of course I will. You train me.
Security lockdown initiated.
Don't worry about Robin, Batsy. I'm sure he won't die. Well, fairly certain anyway. Hey! I never finished my story about Jason Todd, did I? Have you got something to tell the nice man, Jason?
My name is Jason Todd.
Who do you hate?
Batman.
Excellent. Of course you do. Did you get that, Bats? Kid's not yours anymore. He's mine. Mine. To do with as I wish. Hey, I never asked. What's the big secret? Who is the big bad bat? His name. Tell me.
Of course, sir. It's...
Never could stand a tattletale. That's why I like to work alone. No one to spoil the punchline. You should try it sometime. After all, you've seen what happens when you drag your friends into this crazy little game of ours.
You need to get in the cell. It's the only choice we have left. What the hell are you doing?
The right thing. Trust me.
I've gone crazy! Listen to me! We can help you! You don't need to do this! Alfred! Alfred? You son of a bitch! You cut my communications!
Sir, are you okay? I've lost communication with Robin. Is he all right?
He's fine. Faulty comms unit. I'm looking at him now.
Thank God. With all that's happening, I feared the worst. Speaking of which, the Arkham Knight has ordered a squadron of tanks into the city to lock it down and reassert control. Thankfully, the EMP weapon you requested is ready for collection.
Thanks, Alfred. Tim, there's something you need to know. Something's happened.
No. Not her. Don't say it.
Barbara's... she's dead. I'm sorry.
Let me out.
I can't. They're targeting everyone close to me. I won't let them get you as well.
Bruce, please. I have to do this.
No.
You son of a bitch! How dare you! You don't get to decide! Get away from me! Go!
Hang on a gosh darn minute. If Henry wasn't immune to mad clown disease, then that means there is no cure after all. You had Featherhead slaving away when he could have been saving Barbara.
No, don't tell me he's gone. He's still out there. I know he is. Batman doesn't retreat. I'm sending in reinforcements. Find him.
Electromagnetic pulse designed to temporarily scramble drone weapon targeting and divert incoming missiles.
Alfred, the cloudburst. Give me an update.
The Batwing is still conducting scans of the entire city, but there is no sign of it.
Let me know the instant it's detected.
Of course. There are two new situations developing that may require your attention. Firstly, I'm detecting unusual seismic activity on Miagani Island. Also, I thought you should know I've been unable to contact Lucius for some time. Highly unusual behavior for Mr. Fox. A visit to Wayne Tower might be in order just to make sure nothing untoward has happened.
Have you heard about this crazy preacher guy? I've got him! He's on Mercy Bridge! Run on back to your little cave, hero! Oh, crap! Oh, God! What's he doing? What's he doing? He's tailing!
Alfred, I've located the source of the seismic activity.
It appears to be increasing in frequency.
I know what it is, and it's not good.
Botanical Gardens. She just couldn't help herself. Deploy the Diamondbacks and Twin Riders. Take her out!
You just gave away your location.
It's time for Scarecrow to pay for what he did to me.
I hope you're ready. He's going to throw everything he's got at us.
I'll wreck his little tin toys.
Rattler's hit! It's still operational! Don't tell me this is it! You must have something more than a plant! How desperate you become. Lost the diamond! Armor holding!
Nature always wins.
The plant's still fighting, sir. We're taking damage. Batman's got the muscle, Sergeant, but he always needs a little help. Enemy flank!
No!
He got a drone. No! I got him! They're everywhere. Drone's been hit. It's still in the fight. Diamond back down. He knows where they are. It's going to hell, sir. Sir, do you read me? Yes, I read you. This is hand.
This plant has thorns.
Deploy Cobra tanks. Kill him or run him off the island. I have a lock on his position now, sir. He's surrounded.
Be wary, Batman. They're sending something bigger to stop us.
They won't.
I can't help you further, Batman. I'm not strong enough yet.
Sir, unable to acquire Alpha target. He's not there. Spread out. Find him. He's gone. Return to patrol pattern. He'll slip up eventually.
Initiating orbital scan.
See that, Batman? You can't hide. Sergeant, now!
Yes, sir.
I have eyes everywhere, Dark Knight, searching for you.
Cobra drone offline. You're not drawing me out, Batman. Force still in operation. To support. Sir, we've got 3 Cobras left in the field. You can't hide forever. Can't find him.
Orbital scan, Sergeant. He's out there.
All clear in this sector.
Keep looking, Sergeant. Let's put that car to the test.
We need to fend off the Arkham Knight's attack on Ivy.
lost him, sir. Nothing here.
Our time will come. We'll drag his corpse through these streets.
Got him!
Initiate orbital scan.
Right away, sir. Still no sign of him, sir.
Initiating scan. Scan the area.
Yes, sir. All clear. Continuing area patrol.
Hear that, Batman? This isn't over.
We've lost the Cobra. Maintaining search pattern. You better pray that target.
Batman, you've run out of time.
Cobra offline. I've got support nearby. I'm sending it in. I can't stop him.
You don't need to.
Drone was unable to acquire the target.
Resume normal patrol, Commander.
Sir.